This is TheRisingKing. The shoutout winner is Sam Kalios. He posted, "King, it's me, MC for Life Sam from PvP.se. Your videos are awesome. Keep it up and kill the frog." If you want to win the next shoutout, just leave a comment below, and whatever comment I like the most, it'll be shout out in the next video. So leave a comment and hopefully you could get a shout out. Also like the video and subscribe. Alright, I am playing GTAMC.net. If you want to see more about it, Sunny has a series about this server. Right now I am in the bunker. Look, all these chests. And there's a diamond guy over there. Oh, he's probably above us. Yeah, I'm loaded right now. Yeah, he's above us. Where is he? Yonder Sam 31. I'm not liking the sound of that. Yeah, they added... Hold on. My music's too loud. They added a new item called Jetpack. Kind of self-explanatory. Crap, this isn't shut. Oh, and of course I died. Because he was wearing diamond armor. Oh well. Time to get all that crap back. That's pain in the butt. See, they added a new jetpack. It's too OP. It's overpowered. Also, they added inner staff. I don't know what it does at all. It's just low carb boosts. I want to go snipe some people, but I don't have enough ammo. Just keep running, just keep running. I have almost 3 stacks of low carb boosts. It's crazy. I can get my slash kit prospect, but if I have to go to spawn again, I will, because I get $200 in coins. I don't want no one killing me. Come on, come on. That's how we do it in the ghetto. Jumping fences. They also add a new donator rank called Mobster. It's OPS crap. I want to ninja star someone in the face. That'd be awesome. Come back here. Come back here. Come here. Ninja star to the face. And I'm going to die here. Wonderful. Alright, slash kit prospect. That's all you get for kit prospect is that right there. But still pretty good. The money adds up. I want to get an apartment, but they're always full and they need to add more. Oh, I already have armor. Put that crap back. Alright, I'm going to mini the guy this guy. Minigun this guy. The diamond guy. Wherever he is. It's a cop. It's a player cop. Freaking pain in the butt is what they are. There he is. Where did the cop go? Oh, there he is. Where'd he go? He didn't see me. Come on, reload. Oh my lord, it takes forever. I'm running, I'm running, I'm running. Alright. There should be a hole over here somewhere. But there's guys down there, so watch this, watch this. What? What? Ah, freaking noob. That was weird. Stupid cops. They can teleport to you if you have a wanted level. That's too OP. It's called cop mode. It's OP as crap. No, don't shoot me, don't shoot me. I'll minigun you. Grouchy. Did I kill him? I don't think. No. Crap. Alright, I'm going over to the hangars. Ooh, slowly but surely. Hello. Double kill. Oh, I tried. Minigun takes forever to reload, oh my god. Reload, reload. There we go. A chest, a chest. Come here, come here. I want you, chest. Oh, and there's crap in here. I don't like cookies. Cookies are good, but not in Minecraft. I like cookies. Do you like cookies? We all like cookies. Alright, let's actually go to the bank. I don't know how far it is from here, but the docks is over there. Too many people are at the docks, usually. All the mods you see, besides the GUI, which is the server GTA 1 kills, deaths, that. Besides that, everything else would be in the description, so the map and texture pack if you want will be all in the description. Alright, these guys are lethal because someone died here. And there's a diamond guy. No, that's just a cop. Putting on armor, putting on armor. Why do people carry junk around? It's like, really? Come on. You don't want to pick up junk. That was a horrible shot. Oh my lord, that was bad. Oh my god. There we go. Just waiting for the zombie pigmen to show. And there they are. This guy has a jetpack. I tried to aim with a cookie. Dude, I just saved your life. Why would you kill me? I just saved your life, dude. Really? Freaking noob. I was probably mad because I stole his kill. That's probably why. Rager. I need to get over there. I need to get over there. You'll see. There is some funny signs that you gotta see. We all love children, but apparently this store owner hates them. Alright, this is the adult store. Granny's Vibro, Aztecs, Kinky, Soft, Fruit Condoms, and Bras. Don't we all just love bras? Smooch rooms. If you have a girlfriend you want to make out with, that's the room to go to. Or if your grandma needs a vibro, there you go. I know it's boring to see me open chests, but I got to find that shop. Funny crap in there, oh my lord. This isn't it, is it? I have candy. Pedo's Toy Store. I mean Pedro's. Pedro's. Funny. Wub Wub Audio. Where is the store? Wow, they put those doors on wrong. Is that it? Yes, that's it. That's the store. That's the store right there. Yes. Alright, this store is called Mr. Harrison's Pet Shop. And look at this sign. To all little children, don't fucking feed the pets. Take a screenshot if you want. Alright, dogs, cats, dinosaurs, sharks, bony fags, brownies, hamsters, rabbits. What is a bony fags? Leave a comment on what you think a bony fags is. Little fishies don't catch. The blue ones, they bite. And also, check out the new pet dryer from Funky Animals. It'll dry all your wet pets. And their stoves. They're gonna cook your pets. Get out of here. Get off me. Wants my junk, man. Get back. Wanted my junk, man. I wouldn't let him have it. Reload, 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 reload. Come on, reload already. Alright, let's go, let's go. Come on, stupid chess. I killed him. I killed him. Now suck it. Now suck it. I killed him. I killed him. Now suck it. Now suck it. I want the money. KKK. He's racist. Alright, time to head to spawn. Hey, yonder Sam. I just saw him in the whatchamacallit, in the bunker. Yeah, that place. Oh no, I already collected my kit. Well, fail. Alright guys, well this is the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave comments on how I can improve better on my videos. This is the Rising King, signing out.